Hello everyone, let's solve Punjab and Haryana High Court Clerk exam conducted on 3 October 2022 in Shift 2. So part 1 General Knowledge Question 1. After which of the following national celebrity is the National Adventure Award by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport named? The right answer is Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay was one of the first two people to reach Mount Everest in 1953, and the award is named the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award. Question 2. Which country topped the medals list in ISSF Junior World Cup 2022? India. India's shooting performance was particularly strong at the junior level. ISSF is a international governing body for Olympic shooting sports. Question 3. The Member of Parliament Supriya Sule introduced a private member bill in the Lok Sabha seeking legalizing of same-sex marriage. Which political party does Supriya Sule belong to? Nationalist Congress Party. She was a member of National Congress Party, and the bills are introduced by MPs who are not ministers. Question 4. Dhammik Stupa, the famous Buddhist stupa, is located in Uttar Pradesh near Sarnath. Question 5. Direct sunlight is a rich source for vitamin D. Question 6. In which of the following cities is the International Federation of Sports Medicine headquartered? In Lausanne, Switzerland. Question 7. Which of the following is a technical word for the measurement of the depth of water in ocean, river or lake? That is bathymetry. It is the measurement and study of underwater depth and relief. Whereas topography is to shape and elevation of land, and sonar is widely used to map the seabed. Question 8. The field of physical geography which deals with the soil is called pedology. Question 9. How many of India's Rajya Sabha members retire in every 2 years? 1/3 of them. Rajya Sabha has a maximum strength of 250 under the Constitution, with 238 elected representatives of states and UT and 12 nominated members under the constitutional scheme. Question 10. The governmental scheme of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana is promoted by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, launched in 2016. Question 11. Which of the following was not one of the objective of liberalism of the Indian economy in 1991? So not पूछा है. To discourage private sector participation in development. Discourage नहीं किया था, increase किया था. Question 12. Which of the following is an exhaustible natural resource? Exhaustible natural resource: fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are finite resources and take millions of years to form. Question 13. Which of the following is known as winter monsoon in India? Northeast monsoon is called winter or retreating monsoon and is important for Tamil Nadu. Question 14. For which of the following sports did the coach Romesh Pathania win the Dronacharya Award for hockey in 2020? Question 15. The general election of 1977, in which the Janata Party won, were conducted to constitute the 6th Lok Sabha. The Janata Party formed the government under Morarji Desai. Question 16. The Foreign Exchange Management Act came into force in, so यहाँ पे came into force in 2000 and enacted in 1999. Question 17. Sangeet Natak Academy, the apex body in the field of performing art in the country, was set up in 1953. The question 18. The Indian Golf Union, the apex body for golf in the country, is headquartered in New Delhi. Question 19. The Industries Development and Regulation Act came into force in, again came into force in 1952 and introduced in 1951. The Industries Development and Regulation Act came into force in 1952 and introduced or enacted in 1951. Question 20. Which of the following dance form was conceived by Siddhendra Yogi? Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is a classical dance tradition from Andhra Pradesh, and Siddhendra Yogi is traditionally credited with shaping its dance drama form. Question 21. In economics, which term is used to refer to the ratio of a bank's capital in relation to its risk-weighted assets and current liabilities? That is capital adequacy ratio. It is also referred to as CRAR in Indian banking regulation. It is intended to ensure that banks maintain enough capital against risk. Question 22. What is the political symbol of the Maharashtra based Shiv Sena party? That is bow and arrow. Question 23. In the War of 1971, when Bangladesh was formed, India fought against Pakistan, and Bangladesh emerged as an independent country. Question 24. Which of the following valleys is formed by the Byas river between Mande and Larji? That is Kulu. Kulu Valley in Himachal Pradesh. Kulu Valley lies along the Byas river in Himachal Pradesh. Mandi and Kulu are important settlements in the Byas river system. Question 25. Which of the following important post is currently held by K.K. Venugopal? K.K. Venugopal, Attorney General of India. Question 26. National Highway NH27 starts from Gujarat and ends in Assam. NH27 runs from Porbandar in Gujarat to Silchar in Assam, and it is India's major east-west national highway, connected Porbandar in Gujarat with Silchar in Assam. Question 27. The European Organization for Nuclear Research and its extensive research facility are located near one of the following European city. Name the city. That is Geneva. Question 28. Which of the following hydroelectric project is located in the Satara district of Maharashtra? That is Koyna. The Koyna project is associated with the Koyna river and is one of India's major hydroelectric complex. It is located in Maharashtra, Satara district. Question 29. Hawa Mahal, the famous monument of Jaipur, was built in 1799 by Swai Pratap Singh. Its many small windows were designed to allow air circulation and enable royal women to observe street life. Question 30. Which of the following 5-year plan was put into effect under the leadership of two prime ministers? That is 10th 2002 to 2007. Spanned the premiership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Manmohan Singh. The 10th plan covered 2002 to 2007. It began under Atal Bihari Vajpayee and continued after Manmohan Singh became Prime Minister in 2004. Question 31. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is a recognition given for outstanding Indian work in science and technology. What is the prize money that goes with this award? That is rupees 5 lakh. The prize is named after Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, a pioneering Indian scientist and the first Director General of CSIR. The award recognizes outstanding scientific research. Question 32. Which of the following microfinance institutions were earlier known as Shingvi Investment and Finance Private Limited? That is Equitas Microfinance. Question 33. How many pockets are there in a snooker table? 6. 4 corner pocket and 2 middle pocket. Snooker is played with 22 balls, 15 red, 6 colors and 1 white cue ball. Question 34. Who among the following is the author of the book Barefoot to Boots, The Many Lives of Indian Football? That is Novi Kapadia. Novi Kapadia was a prominent football writer and historian of Indian football. The book traces Indian football from its early period to the modern era. Question 35. As per the Union Budget 2021 to 22 analysis, the fiscal budget was targeted at 6.8% of GDP in 2021 to 22. Question 36. Who among the following composers used Padmanabhana as his signature in his composition? That is Swati Tirunal. Swati Tirunal was the Maharaja of Travancore and a major composer in several musical traditions. Padmanabha refers to Lord Padmanabha, the deity closely associated with Travancore. Question 37. Tyagarja and Muthuswami Dikshitar and Dash are referred to as the Trinity of Carnatic music, that is Shyama Shastri. The Carnatic Trinity is Shyama Shastri, Tyagaraja and Muthuswami Dishkinder. Their compositions are central to the modern classical Carnatic. Question 38. In the lexicon of earth science and geography, what is the meaning of the term slat? A mixture of rain and snow. Slat means a mixture of rain and snow. In common British usage, slat may refer to a mixture of rain and snow. Question 39. The 7th 5-year plan, whose duration was from 1985 to 1990, was initiated under the leadership of the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. The 7th 5-year plan, 1985 to 1990, was initiated during the premiership of Rajiv Gandhi. Question 40. Article 315 of the Indian Constitution has made provision for the creation of Union Public Service Commission. Article 315 Union Public Service Commission. Question 41. The small island of Lakshadweep comes under the judicial jurisdiction of High Court of Kerala. Question 42. Which country was the largest trading partner of India in the year 2021? USA. Question 43. The goal of every living organism, including plants, is to create offspring for the next generation. What is the technical word used for this process in the context of plants? That is pollination. Question 44. Satyarth Prakash was written by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. And he is closely associated with the Arya Samaj movement founded in 1875. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question 45. Name the author of the book The Scientific Age, the Indian Scientist from Vedic to Modern Time, written by Jayant Narlikar. Question 46. Name the only male tennis player as on today to have 21 Grand Slam titles in tennis. That is Rafael Nadal. Question 47. What is the generic industry name for electronic device like Fitbit and smartwatches that are designed to collect the data of users' personal health and exercise? That is wearables. Question 48. Which of the following lakes in India was formed after an asteroid hit? That is Lonar Lake. Lonar Lake in Maharashtra occupies a meteorite impact crater formed in basaltic rock. Question 49. In which year was the Supreme Court established? The Supreme Court came into existence on 26 January 1950 and was formally inaugurated on 28 January 1950. And the first Chief Justice was Sir Hari Lal Kania. Question 50. Which of the following is a folk song which narrates the heroics of character from the Mahabharata? That is Pandavani. Pandavani is a folk narrative singing tradition associated especially with Chhattisgarh and based on Mahabharata stories. Now moving for part 2, English objective. Question 1. She did not know the subject that the committee was discussing. So एरर फाइंड आउट करना है यहाँ पे. शी डिड नॉट नो द सब्जेक्ट दैट द कमेटी वॉज डिस्कसिंग. नो एरर. क्वेश्चन 2. इंसेक्ट्स आर परफेक्ट allies of plants and because they pollinate them. So here perfect की spelling गलत है, PERFECT होता है. Question 3. Leh is extremely cold and when it rains it becomes unbearable wet and chilly. No error. Question 4. Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means consisting of different kinds. यूनिफॉर्म मीन्स द सेम और कंसिस्टेंट थ्रू आउट. सो यहाँ पे आपको एंटोनियम बताना है हेट्रोजीनियस का, दैट इज़ यूनिफॉर्म. अडैमेंट. अडैमेंट मीन्स वेरी फिल्म और अनविलिंग टू चेंज. सो एंटोनियम हो जाएगा फ्लेक्सिबल. फ्लेक्सिबल मीन्स विलिंग टू चेंज और अडेप्ट. क्वेश्चन 6. एरोगेंस. एरोगेंस मीन्स an executive sense of superiority. So its antonium becomes humility, means modesty, and is its opposite. Question 7. The children will go to their grandfather's place dash 2 weeks during the vacation. 4. 4 is used with a period of time to express duration for 2 weeks. Question 8. There has never been any quarrel between these two brothers. Question 9. Don't lean against that tree. It has ants on its trunk. Question 10. People laughed at the farmer and asked what was wrong with his donkey. Question 11. Fragile. Fragile means easily broken or delicate. सो सिनोनियम बताना है. फ्रेजाइल का सिनोनियम हो जाएगा फ्रेल. फ्रेल मीन्स वीक और डेलिकेट. क्वेश्चन 12. क्लीन्स. सिनोनियम बताना है यहाँ पे भी. क्लीन्स मीन्स टू क्लीन थोरोली और रिमूव इम्प्योरिटीज़ एंड प्योरीफाई हैज़ द सेम कोर मीनिंग. क्वेश्चन 13. एसिमिलेट. एसिमिलेट मीन्स to absorb or incorporate something into a larger whole. So synonym is incorporate. Question 14. Opulence. Opulence means great wealth or luxury. So synonym is wealth. Question 15. Audacious. Audacious means bold or daring, and its synonym is disrespectful. Question 16. Excessive human activity has brought about a climate change on the planet. Question 17. The thieves made away with all the valuables in the lockers. Question 18. If you want to do well in life, you must believe in yourself. Question 19. Arrange in a sequence. So यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट, मैनी ईयर्स अगो a proud tyrant whose name was Glazer ruled over Swiss people. B, D, A, C. Question 20. Rearrange. A tree is known as the father of forest. That is, a giant kauri tree lives in the Waipo rainforest of New Zealand, North Zealand. Then the tree is known as father of the forest. Its right answer is B, A, D, C. Now move further. Part 3, descriptive session. So you have to write an essay in 150 words on one of the following topic. First is role of computer and internet in our lives. Computers and the internet have become an essential part of modern life. They have changed the way we learn, work, communicate, and conduct business. Students can attend online classes, read digital books, and access educational resources from anywhere. The internet also enables instant communication through email, messaging, and video call. In offices, computers help in data management, banking, research, and online transaction. Digital services have made many public services faster and more accessible. However, technology also has disadvantages. Excessive screen time, cybercrime, misinformation, privacy problem, and digital addiction can affect individual and society. Therefore, technology should be used responsibly. People must protect password and personal information and verify information before sharing it. Computers and the internet are powerful tools for development. Their benefits can be maximized when they are used wisely, safely, and for productive purposes. Second essay is on mobiles and iPods. Should their use be restricted? Mobile phones and portable music devices such as iPods are useful inventions, but their excessive use can become harmful. Mobile phones helps us communicate, study, access map, make payments and receive emergency information. Student can also use educational application in online lectures. However, continuous use may cause distraction, reduce concentration, poor time management and dependence on screen. Excessive use while studying can reduce academic performance, and using phones while driving is dangerous. Children may also be exposed to inappropriate content and cyber risk. Therefore, their use should not be completely banned, but it should be regulated according to age, purpose, and situation. Schools can restrict phones during classes while allowing them for educational activity when necessary. Parents should guide children about screen time, privacy, and responsible online behavior. The best approach is not total restriction but balance and disciplined use of technology. Essay 3 is on plastic, a boon or a ban. Plastic is one of the most useful materials invented by modern industry. It is light, durable, inexpensive, waterproof, and easy to mold. It is widely used in packaging, medicine, construction, transport, and household product. In hospital, plastic material can help maintain hygiene and safety. However, plastic becomes a serious environmental problem when it is produced and discarded irresponsibly. Many single-use plastic remain in the environment for a very long time. They can pollute land and water, harm animals, and enter food chain as small plastic particles. Burning plastic may also release harmful pollutants. The solution is not to reject every form of plastic, but to reduce unnecessary use, reuse suitable product, and recycle waste properly. Governments, industry, and citizens must work together to promote alternative and responsible waste management. Plastic is therefore both a boon and a ban. Its impact depends largely on how wisely we use and dispose of it. Essay 4 on uses and abuses of science. Science has transformed human life and made remarkable progress possible in medicine, agriculture, transport, communication, and space exploration. Electricity, computers, modern medicine, vaccines, and advanced communication systems have improved living standard. Scientific farming method can increase productivity, while technology helps us predict weather and manage natural resources. Space science has also expanded our knowledge of the universe and supports communication and weather services. However, science can be misused. Weapons of mass destruction, cybercrime, harmful industrial pollution, and irresponsible technological practices can threaten human life and the environment. Scientific knowledge itself is not good or bad, its consequences depend on how people use it. Therefore, scientific progress must be guided by ethics, public welfare, and environmental responsibility. Education should teach people not only scientific knowledge but also its responsible application. Science should remain a means of improving life, reducing suffering, and creating a safer and more stable future. Now, question 2, letter writing. Option A, informal letter to your cousin about the school silver jubilee celebration. So first write address, 24 Model Town, Chandigarh, date, then salutation. Dear Ria, I hope you are fine. I am writing to tell you about the Silver Jubilee celebration recently held at our school. The program was organized with great enthusiasm. The school building and stage were beautifully decorated. There were cultural performances, speech, a science exhibition, and several competitions. Our teachers and students worked together to make the function successful. The chief guest appreciated the achievement of the school and encouraged the student to work hard. I participated in a group cultural program and enjoyed it a lot. The celebration also reminded us of the school's long journey and achievement. I wish you could have been here. I will show you the photographs when we meet. Yours lovingly, and your name. Option B, formal letter to the chief minister inviting him or her as a chief guest. To the Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Punjab, Chandigarh. Date, subject, invitation to attend the annual function of the school nature club as chief guest. Sir, ma'am, I am the president of the school nature club of ABC Senior Secondary School. It is my honor to invite you to be the chief guest at the annual function of our nature club to be held on 20 October 2022 in the school auditorium. The program will include a plantation activity, an awareness presentation on environment protection, a student exhibition and cultural performance. Your presence would greatly encourage our students and inspire them to contribute to environmental conservation. We would be grateful if you could kindly accept an invitation and address the student on the importance of protecting nature. Yours faithfully, President of School Nature Club. क्वेश्चन 3 इज ऑन प्रीसे राइटिंग. सो जो पैराग्राफ दिया होता है उसका 1/3 लिखना होता है आपको. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन 4 ट्रांसलेशन. सो बैसाखी का मेला हर वर्ष पंजाब के विभिन्न स्थानों पर लगता है. सो ये ट्रांसलेशन जो है ओरिजिनली पंजाबी लैंग्वेज में थी. सो कुछ मिस्टेक आपको मिल सकती हैं इसमें हिंदी में. So the Baisakhi festival is celebrated every year at various places in Punjab. यह त्यौहार रबी की फसल पकने के अवसर पर मनाया जाता है. This festival is celebrated on the occasion of the harvesting of rabi crop. हमारे गांव से लगभग 2 मील की दूरी पर बैसाखी का मेला लगता है और मैं अपने पिता के साथ वहां गया. A Baisakhi fair is organized about 2 miles away from our village and I went there with my father. मेले के रास्ते में मैंने बहुत से लड़कों और बच्चों को नए कपड़े पहनकर मेले की ओर आते हुए देखा. हमने कुछ किसानों को खेती में अपनी तैयार धान की फसल को सोने जैसे देखकर खुशी मनाते हुए भी देखा. On the way to the fair, I saw many boys and children going towards the fair wearing new clothes. We also saw some farmers in the field happily looking at their harvested paddy crop which appeared golden. मेरे पिता ने मुझे बताया कि यह त्यौहार हमारे देश के सबसे पुराने मेलों में से एक है और फसल की कटाई के अवसर पर मनाया जाता है. माई फादर टोल्ड मी दैट दिस फेस्टिवल इज़ वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट फेयर ऑफ आवर कंट्री एंड इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ हार्वेस्टिंग द क्रॉप. यह त्यौहार कुछ महान ऐतिहासिक घटनाओं से भी जुड़ा है. दिस फेस्टिवल इज़ ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड विद सम ग्रेट हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स. इसी दिन गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने आनंदपुर साहिब में खालसा पंथ की स्थापना की थी. ऑन दिस ग्रेट डे गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी इस्टेब्लिश्ड द खालसा पंथ एट आनंदपुर साहिब. जब हम मेले में पहुँचे तो हमें ढोल, पंगूड़े और ऊंची आवाज़ में बजते लाउड स्पीकर सुनाई दिए. वहाँ बहुत भीड़ और चारों ओर शोर था. वहाँ खिलौने और अन्य वस्तुओं को अनेक प्रकार की सजी हुई दुकानें थीं. हमने एक दुकान पर गर्म जलेबियाँ भी खाई. When we reached the fair, we heard the sounds of drum, swings and loudspeaker. There was a great crowd and noise all around. There were various decorated shops selling toys and other articles. We also ate hot jalebis at a shop. So thank you so much. That is finished.